Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Schlage. This is their part number K110-020. This is a package of 2 Schlage armor front screws. These little doodads are special. Probably not because of the thread type. I'm going to guess that is 632. I don't know if it's listed. There is a link below this video to a document called Parts Drawing. And as I scroll through that, oh, they are 832. It may not be mentioned in the document that you have below this video, but it is in the service manual that I'll talk about in a moment. This is an 832 quarter inch Phillips flathead machine screw. But what they don't say, the description should be Phillips FUH, flat undercut head, because the undercut head of that's undercut underneath the head of the screw. So a typical flathead 832 screw is not really going to work because it doesn't feature that undercut profile underneath here. And they would undercut a head so that you can get a screw down to a very thin wall material, which an armor front would be. An armor front is the fancy term for that scalp plate or that 8 1/4 plate. Now it doesn't have to be 8 1/4. It could be their auxiliary mortise deadbolts, their small lock case deadbolts. But you do generally need 2 on a lock. I can't think of when you'd use 3 or 1 on a Schlage lock anyway. And this packet is a packet of 2. It has to, you have to have the finish as well, because that's an exposed piece of hardware that you're going to see when you install that armor front. So that parts drawing that's there will allow you to review a couple of the instances where this screw is to be seen. The link below this video is will take you to the manufacturer's page within our site, where you can review not only all of the Schlage products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the current product catalog. Some vintage catalogs are there for fun, really, as well. If you wanted to see lock sets that were available in, I think, 1979, we've got a catalog there. There's also encyclopedic documentation that's there, like the wafer cylinder keying manual. Schlage invented a unique application of wafer tumblers. Those locks are still out there today, but I haven't actually seen one in many years. But they are probably certainly still installed on millions of doors. But then the entire service manual can be located on that page, where you can view all the parts for all of the Schlage locks, at least to the point where they're published. And we continue to add to that page encyclopedic documents, resource literature as we come across it. Sold as a pack of 2, so when you buy 5, you're going to get 10 total screws. If you have any questions on the Schlage K110-020 package of armor front screws, or any other Schlage product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.